everyone, welcome to the Study X Code. Today we are going to do class 10 geography, which is going to be the important chapter in our syllabus. Let us see the information very quickly. So the first thing is subtopics, and in the first subtopic we can see biodiversity. As children you can see here, there are many colors: black, charcoal, gray, silver, white. So in these many colors we have different varieties. Okay, so like that we have different varieties of flora and fauna. So what is this flora? What is this fauna? Huh? Right? I'll tell you everything in detail. So as you can see, our first content comes up with biodiversity. So it is like different types of species, like in wildlife or else plants. Not only wildlife like birds and plants, everything comes under biodiversity, different types of species. If you write that, you're gonna get 2 out of 2. Why do we need to conserve our forest and wildlife? So children, a most this question has been asked for about 4 years continuously, children. So many, like all those things. This has been asked for 4 years, as I told you here. And what are the reasons, we will know now. So due to the rapid decline of wildlife population and forestry, conservation has become essential. What is this conserve meaning? It means conserve means save. Please write all these keywords, as we know you are not writing this. So conserve means save. So we need to save these wildlife, these forests and all this, because like they're becoming extinct. They're not available. The next will be the conservation preserves the ecological diversity and our life support system. See, when they ask how does the forest how does the forest benefit us, or like why do we need to save why do we need to save forest, how does it help us? General answer: it helps us with air, water, soil. It also preserves genetic diversity of plants and animals for a better growth of species and breeding. So it will increase the genetic diversion of plants and animals for a better growth. Okay, see, that is what they're trying to tell us in these whole 3 points. So types of distribution and forest, wildlife and resource. So these are distributed into 3 main important points. And I personally want you guys to take a note of them, because all these PPTs, all these things I'm showing you guys, these are very essential, and I want you guys to take a note of it. So the first thing is reserved forest. What does this reserved forest means? Like more than half. What does half mean? 1/2 is going to be our half. More than half of the lands are being declared reserved forest. Why are these lands are become declared forest? Let me tell you. See, children, when people are misusing the forest conservation, see, when they are concerned, the forests are saved or protected. Any word you give, any name. So as you can see, children, as these forests needs to be protected or saved from some people, from forest fires and all this stuff, we need to have, so they have to be reserved, means that is been taken. Reserved means that has been something that has been taken. So, what does this protected forest mean? Protected forest means that 1/3 of the total forest area is protected forest. So, this is 1 by half. Half means 1/2, right? No. Actual children, I forgot to tell you, half means it will also come 50%. This you have to consider no. 1 by third means 1, you're going to write it here, and then you're going to keep a slash, and 3. 1 by third. So these are wastelands. They belong to government and private people. So that is what they are telling us. So the next thing is how government is playing a major role in conserving forests. See, there is something called Indian Wildlife Protection, which was implemented in 1972. In this, they will list all India's protected species, and in this, there are categories. First one is endangered, and some more categories like this. So, for the 1991, for the first time, plants were added to the list, starting with 6 species. This is going to be an important NCERT question. See, there is an important point, children. See, however, India is trying to reserve these, but we still don't know if these rare species can be found again, like like many rhinoceros, and all these stuff. Let's see the GFM, which is going to play a major role in your studies. I would suggest you guys to keep as many stars as you can for this particular object. As you can see, children, this program was first started in the state Odisha. See, what happens here means the date you have to remember all these lines which I'm underlining. These are the main points. If you just include these in your own sentences, done. See, Odisha was the first one. This program has started in Odisha in 1988. What was the aim of the program? It was like restoration and degradation of the forest with the help of local communities. So JFM depends on the formation activity institution that undertake protection activities, mostly degraded forest land managed by the forest department. That's it. Finally, members of these communities are entitled independent benefit like non-timber and forest producers share in timber harvest. So children, that is it. Wow, we got it. Just in like 30 seconds or something. So this is also an important point in your NCRT. Describe or explain JFM. See children, this one is an activity in your textbook, so we won't leave it. Community and conservation. See, this one I'm telling you, some stupid things they will tell it. This is a one of them. This is one of them. See, children, what is this we will learn? See, there is something called these all are these villages have fought for the saving because where wild animals lived, others started to mine, so they stopped them. Next one is this Chipako movement. So there is 5 villages in Alwar district, Rajasthan have declared 200. This one also we know. Chipaka movement means women, many people started hugging the trees. They started what? They started to hug the trees. Bachao Andolan, I have already explained. So JFM. So we have finished the chapter in just 8 minutes, children. So thank you so much, and I really appreciate the time you have given to me. And make sure you see the first lesson, chapter one's video also, if you understand this one. Well, I'm telling you, this is just for your benefit. Children will not get anything by posting these videos. The main thing is the concern about all the great tenors. See, this I am personally from a school. I personally teach in a school that is somewhere in Delhi, but I actually shouldn't disclose everything in this. I actually I'm a teacher in somewhere. So, children, I and most of the other teachers who are teaching here are not coming for their own use. Okay, even though we are getting paid, all we done is that you guys will get some education. So, children, thank you everyone for attending our most delightful, what should I know, more, most फेवरेट टीचर्स क्लास, हाँ, फेवरेट टीचर है क्या मैं? Thank you everyone, and we'll meet in the next video.